Easy, Susie. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, bro. It's a Gixxer. Appreciate it, boss. It's they switched up the front for the thousands. Mm-hmm.
What year is that one?
23. My little baby. Appreciate it, boss. Yo, qué rayo con el pollo, qué bueno, mi gente. What's up, everybody? We back with another video. You see Susie looking sexy. We got a nice afternoon ride, slash night ride, slash bike night. So go ahead and get over here. It's gonna be done in Cycle Gear Austin. Ooh, that started, baby. I'm telling you. Está diciendo, oh, beep. Back up. Let's go before you get us. So yeah, it's gonna be down in Cycle Gear Austin. Little bike night going on. Go check it out. Homie hit me up, the homie Jay. Said he's already down there, so let's hurry up and get over there. Un pa' allá, que vamos tarde. It ends at 8, it's about to be 7, so pull up to Cycle Gear Austin, get some videos on some bikes, and we'll ride out to the other meet. Nah, we'll just ride out to the other meet. But yeah, how's your day going, man? Hopefully it's going good. Hopefully you're having a great day. If not, hopefully this video makes it un poquito mejor. Pero sí, mi gente, aquí vamos. ¿Qué tú estás haciendo? Ay, vamos en camino a una junta de moto. Sí, a ver qué pasa, man. Dude, it feels great out here. Oh shit, almost. Isn't that? Oh, dumbass. It feels great out here. Freaking, what is it? 82 degrees. We got the sun out. Clear skies. I mean, what more could you ask for? Got off work. Homie hit me up. Said, bike night, let's do it. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Always down to see some dope bikes. Got the jams on. Weather's amazing. Susie. Paint is sparkling. Looking beautiful. Just got confirmation. We're finna head to a different meet. We can catch 130 from over here, so. Woohoo! Damn! The ZX10? The Beamski? Damn! Very nice. Oh. Chill off this helmet, go check out some basic lenses. Miata! Alright, so we put up to the bike night over here at Motovation. Oh, we got was that a Gixxer pulling up? Very nice. See, we got a whole bunch of bikes out here. Little Porsche, little Gixxer. Ooh, that blue is too clean. Got the bike on the stand over here. There's a whole bunch of sick. Oh, it's a speed triple. Damn, this thing is clean. We got our bikes over here. Look at this. We got an R1. 2 R1s. Damn, I fuck with the winglets though. Alright. R6. Ninja. The fastest one here. Best. I hate the new 8R. Ooh. You see Susie. This is the X10.
Yeah, dude. All the bolts were all fixed together. I was like, that's forever.
I love those wheels.
And I was like, what? He was like, however hard you think you gotta send it to, send it that hard. I'm not gonna lie, bro. He was like, you're gonna fall today? Get it out of the way. You learn by y'all. Alright. I keep it a bike. Everything I promote is
I know. Hey, you got the new rep on that? Fucks with the rep on it all live. What? That whole nice. That whole nice. RV4 booster. I think it's a Ninja 400. CBR. BMW S1000 DX10. K. And Suzuki. Jackson 1000. Gonna head out, baby. I'm on. They said there's another bike meet, so see what's up. That was a sick meet, man. I think it was Motovation. I don't know, same thing. That was a sick meet with Alpine started something like that. They're doing something with like their vest or something. I was just out there chilling, vibing, having a good time. Oh, look at all these beautiful bikes, baby. Yes, sir. The BMW. Damn! He already killing the mode. thank y'all for tuning in. Gracias por ver el video. Si les gustó, remember to drop a like, subscribe, and if you do enjoy the content, you want to keep up to the normal day-to-day, maybe since I post sooner on my Instagram, follow me on ADM_rides with a Z. Y see you, gente. Ahí nos vemos. Later, y'all.